All right, can we talk about how a penny stock just blew out earnings by over 1,300%? And then Q1 in the year prior blew out earnings by 525%. This company is coming out of nowhere. I want to give you it before the next earnings day, which is November 12th to November 18th, their expected earnings to come out. I want to cover everything. I want to cover the insane price targets that this company now has before the momentum gains traction. I want to put it in front of your face. As many of you know, this is also around election time where markets are probably going to be propped up. This is probably going to do extremely well, and it also has to do with crypto. So stay tuned, watch until the end of the video, like the video. This is Defi Technologies, a financial technology company that is a leader in the convergence of decentralized finance and traditional capital markets. DeFi is a blockchain-based financial technology that allows users to perform financial transactions without the need for traditional market participants such as banks. Okay? Keep it very, very simple. They utilize the blockchain. It's another one of these companies, another one of these blockchain companies. Take a look at the Analyst forecast, giving it a strong buy. But not only that, minimum price targets of 278, average price targets of 327, and then a max price target of 406. Now, this is a year or less out, so this is a lot of opportunity here. They don't even give one possible bear case scenario, which is not common to see. You see a 34% gain, about a 60% gain, and then about 100% gain on this stock, on this play. Now, not only did they blow out earnings, 2024 Gateway Conference to feature AI blockchain and digital infrastructure on September 5th. This was their most recent news. And the companies that were featured for the AI blockchain and digital infrastructure track were APLD, Applied Digital Corporation. We talked about APLD before, another one of those plays that has some nice rallies. I believe they recently just rallied 16% on earnings as well. Bit Digital, Bitcoin Depot, Core Scientific, Defi Technologies, our guy right here that we're watching, right? DMG Blockchain Solutions, and then ticker symbol MIGI. Now, DeFi Technologies stands out to me because of this earnings blowout. So what actually happened here? They reported earnings results on an IFRS basis, DFTF, well ahead of the 3-cent estimate. Net income totaled $66 million for the quarter versus $12.7, which was the forecast. Relative to the model, the EPS beat was mostly a function of higher DeFi alpha revenue and lower weighted average diluted shares outstanding, partially offset by above forecast operating expenses, mostly trading bonuses. Now, they further take their next estimate up to 27 cents after 12 cents. Now, DeFi's revenue model is built a little different, not traditionally. Unlike traditional asset managers, they rely almost exclusively on management fees. DeFi generates revenue across staking, lending, and trading underlying digital asset in addition to ETP management fees. On top of that, DeFi Alpha's proprietary trading desk is increasingly adding another powerful revenue driver. To be sure, management upped revenue guidance for 2024 from 87 million last quarter to 131 million. Our model calls for revenue to hit 146 million this year, reflecting ongoing AUM growth and incremental DeFi Alpha revenues in 2H24. Now, the company recently announced as well the signing of a letter of intent, LOI, to acquire Stillman Digital, a global technology and digital asset liquidity provider. The transaction further augments and diversifies DEFTF's customer base and revenue opportunities. Indeed, Stillman generated 6.1 million of run rate revenue in Q1 2024. Just like MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR, and Block SQ, and others, this company recently adopted cryptocurrencies as their primary treasury reserve asset to mitigate the effects of inflation and generate higher yields on excess liquidity. The company, as of August 14th, 2024, which just passed, held 204.34 Bitcoins, almost 13,000 Solana tokens, and almost 1.5 million Core tokens. In addition, the company maintained $40.9 million worth of cash and USDT on its balance sheet. The company also repaid incremental 10 million of outstanding loans in June, following repayment of 19.5 million in May. As of June 30th, 2024, remaining loans payable stood at 13 million. Management remains committed to share repurchases, with the board likely to consider instituting a dividend at some point down the road. This is insane news. Likely to produce a dividend. This company is about to be, in my opinion, potentially taken off of the OTC list and dropped into these bigger markets. And look how the chart is reacting to this. Up 20% on Monday of the trading week this week. has been scaling up since November of 2023. See, institutions knew what was coming here, and now it is about to enter a brand new trading range. My personal targets are 220, 275, 350, and then all the way up here to 560, and then we will evaluate from there. These are the fib levels that this stock is testing to break out above. Last but not least, take a look at Analyst price targets. Given a bunch of buy ratings over sell ratings, you can see on the 4-hour time frame, nearly all of the analysts give buy ratings, and overall on multiple time frames, 17 give buy ratings, 8 give neutral, and only 1 gives sell. Overall, guys, let me know your thoughts on this penny stock in the comments down below. Am I giving it to you early? Again, keep in mind this is a sponsored stock. Do your own due diligence. Nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you what to buy or sell. This is the company's recent news that you can see and take a screenshot of, or go over to Yahoo Finance. It's not a sponsor for Yahoo Finance. But drop a comment down below of what you think of DEFTF stock. That is it, guys. Again, thank you Sideways Frequency for sponsoring today's video. This company absolutely smoked earnings, has great analyst price targets, is in the crypto space, and overall, I honestly like it. I like it a lot. As always, turn post notifications on for the channel. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.